Welcome to Crypto Night. My name is Ife, and in this video, I am going to show you when exactly a coin is about to pump to the upside, massive gains in a short period of time. I am going to show you exactly how to do it, how to spot these kind of coins, and how to trade them. So the first thing we are going to do right now is head over to CoinGecko. This is what we are going to be using in this video. What I am about to show you right now depends on the exchange you are using. For example, in this video, we are going to use the Binance exchange. This is the exchange we are going to use in this video. So right now, I am going to search for Binance exchange. Click right here. You can scroll down. You would see that this is the exchange section right here, and I'm going to click on this. What this is showing me is information about the Binance exchange on CoinGecko. Now we can scroll down. You would see that this is the overall traded volume on Binance. What we are going to do right now is to look for coins that are not that popular and see if they have massive 24-hour traded volume. Then that is the next coin that is going to pump to the upside, massive gains in a short period of time. Now let's scroll down to find an example. You all know these coins are popular, but most of you don't know this Chromia, this CHR. You can see that this is an unpopular coin. You will notice that it has a 24-hour trading volume of over $250 million. What this means is that people trading this coin, they know something that you don't know. Probably there is a big announcement with this coin, this Chromia coin. So there should be a reason why a lot of people are putting money into such coin. Now that we've identified the coin that is going to pump heavily in a short period of time, what I'll do right now is to click on this right here. Now this will take me to information about this coin. You would see that right now it has only pumped 6.6%. Now this percentage gain is good, but this coin looks like it has massive potential to the upside in a short period of time. So let's scroll down and see more information about this coin. This is the price of the coin right now, 0.4. It has a maximum supply of 1 billion CHR. Now let's continue to scroll down. Now this is the 24-hour price chart of this coin. You would see clearly here that it has made a nice pump, and right now the price is consolidating. That means that after this consolidation, the price could further continue in the upward direction. This is just basic technical analysis. Let's also click on the overall chart of this coin right here. As you can see, this coin right now has been pumping lately. Now let me show you exactly how you are going to trade this coin to make massive gains in a short period of time. And as always, before we go further, this is not financial advice, as I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research on contents like this before investing in the market. Now let's continue. I am going to use TradingView to show you information about this coin and how you can trade it to the upside. Now I would have to search for CHR USDT on the Binance exchange. First result right here is what I'm going to click. This is the CHR USDT. As you can see, it has had a massive spike to the upside. The question right now is it going to dump from this level, or there is more price movement to the upside? Now let me show you exactly what I would do in this case. You would see clearly here that there is an obvious resistance in this price chart. Let me show you. At this point right here, you would see that this is a clear and obvious resistance for this CHR coin. So basically what this means is that if price could break above this level at 0.435, then the price of Chromia could go higher in the nearest future. Now let me show you something else that is mind-blowing. Right now I am going to do a Fibonacci retracement. I'm going to do it from the swing high to the swing low. The price went up and touched the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level. This 1.618 is a clear and obvious take profit for this Fibonacci retracement on CHR. So the next step is that if this candle starts to close above this resistance line at 0.43, then the price could further head to the next Fibonacci retracement level. And let me show you where the next Fibonacci retracement level is. You will see that the next Fibonacci retracement level is the 2.618, which is located at $0.63. Now this is going to be the next take profit level, and this would happen when candles start to close above the $0.43 level. Now this is exactly how to trade this. Let me put a line right here. Now let me show you the percentage gain if this were to play out. If I was to enter at this level, I will take my profits at the top level right here. You can see clearly here that this is a 45% move to the upside. Now this is a lot of percentage gain if this trade should play out. Now I just showed you how to spot coins that are going to pump in the nearest future. And right now, I am showing you how to trade this coin to the upside. What you really need is to point out obvious resistance. And the second thing you need to do is to draw a Fibonacci retracement from the highs to the lows. Those are the two things you need to do, and that will guide you to entering and exiting a trade. I truly hope you enjoyed this kind of content, and if you did, you can please leave a thumbs up in this video and try subscribe to the channel. Now this is going to be it right now, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.